Ya, bueno. Pero puede que sea una buena. Pero enganchas con la correa. Va a ser móvil. Hombre. Bueno, va. Vamos allá. Ahora en la cabina hay una voz que canta 50, 40, sí, sí. Ah, los metros, ¿no? Sí. 10 y... ¡toca! Uy. UPS. Va, cuando suene la trompeta, va. Eso será el Eurotrans, el 8526. Espérate, espérate. No, todavía no. No, que ahora sí podemos cargar con un boulder. Tiene que ser un poco insultante para los pilotos como que pasan por eso.
Last year, over 90% of Ryanair flights landed on time, beating every other European airline. Ryanair for the lowest fares and the best on-time record.
Ladies and gentlemen, Ryanair delighted to welcome you to Valencia Airport. Weather contact is approaching 8. Please remain in your seat with your seatbelt securely fastened until the aircraft has come to a complete stop and a fastened seatbelt has been switched on for you. Please exercise extreme caution on opening the overhead lockers as items such as carry and luggage may become dislodged in the flight following cause injuries. For those who smoke, please continue to refrain from doing so until you reach a smoking area once well outside the terminal building. For car hire, Ryanair recommend Hertz our car rental partner and offer great discount to all Ryanair passengers. For more routes, hotel accommodation, web checking, check and go low fares, please continue to visit us on Ryanair.com. Finally, on behalf of your captain, your first officer, your onboard crew today, would like to thank you to fly with us. Wishing you safe and onboard journey on your pleasant stay here in the Valencia area. Once again, thank you and have a great evening. Muchas gracias a todos y buenas tardes.
Vamos. Muy bien. Ese piloto.